If you're working in sales operations using Salesforce data, you're probably on the lookout for ways to make your team more efficient and productive. One way to do that is using Google Sheets filter views. Let's take a look at an example. But first, let's import our Salesforce data using Coefficient. Launch the Coefficient app from the Extensions menu in the top ribbon. Extensions, Coefficient, Launch. Let's import from Salesforce. Choose from Objects and Fields. And let's import some opportunity data. Let's say I want to take a look at sales performance over the years for a particular sales rep. Let's import those opportunities for all the sales reps in our sales organization. Select the fields. I'll choose the opportunity owner full name, the opportunity name, the stage, amount, and fiscal year. Done selecting fields. Let's add a filter to make sure we only see closed won and closed lost deals. Click Add Filter, select Stage is one of, and I'm going to choose my closed won and closed lost stages. Name the import, and click Import. As you can see, there are several columns with data that are relevant to different members of the sales team. However, it's not always easy for each sales rep to filter their data without disrupting other people's viewing capabilities. That's where filter views come in. Filter views allow each member of the team to filter their data without affecting anyone else's views. Let's create a separate page so that each sales rep can use this Salesforce import to look at their own data. First, I'll write a query against my Salesforce import where I select just the relevant fields I'd like to be included on this report. Then I'll group by the sales rep, the stage, and then pivot on fiscal year. Certainly, these sales reps will want to see data specific to them. I can apply a filter to these columns, giving them the ability to filter on full name, which is column A. This would filter the data showing only the sales data for that particular sales rep. Once we implement the filter view, other members of the team can apply their own filters to see the data that's relevant to them. I'll highlight my table and first create a filter for the table header. To create a filter view, go to Data in the top menu and click Filter Views. Then create a new filter view. I'll name this filter view for David so he can filter on data that's relevant to him and what he's interested in without affecting Emily or any other member of my sales team. I'll repeat this for every member of my sales team. So I went ahead and created more views for each of my sales reps, and you can see each of the filtered views by going to Data, Filter Views, and you can see a list of the available filter views. Now, if I go back to None, I can see the original data set. But let's say, for example, I'm Sarah, and I want to see just my sales performance across the years. When I share this Google Sheet with Sarah, she now has access to these filter views and can filter her filter view without affecting James or any of the other sales reps' viewing capabilities. To access the saved view, either go to the top ribbon to access the filter settings here. Click the dropdown, click your desired view, and filter as desired. And you can see as you switch between each view, the views have not been affected. John has his data filtered for his deals, and James still can see. These filter views help to keep the team focused on their own goals and allows each member to work more efficiently.